You're recording?
No.
Hi everyone, welcome to Conchita.
Conchita.
Hi everyone, welcome to Conchita's channel. Today we're going to be talking about makeup. But today we're going to be doing a 99cents makeup look. And today I have like a couple things from the 99cents. Like I have this Pro Fusion Lip High Pigmented Matte Lipstick Plum. I'm going to be using this today. And it comes with a brush too. And I also have this Phase 1 Jet Set contour and blush palette. Like the blushes are the pink ones, the brown one is the contour, and the white one is the contour. The corner one is blush. And I also have a brush set from Castro, 99cents store. And it comes with a baggie. You can put your brushes in there. They are a powder brush, angled brush, all over eyeshadow, concealer, and angled eyeliner. So that's what I'm going to be using today in the video. So I'm going to take these out and like I washed them already. Because like you don't know like if there's like any bacteria in the brushes. Always wash your brushes every time you like either get a new packaging or like something. Always wash your brushes. You never know like what could get in the brushes or anything. Like they feel soft, but I want to test it on my face. But first I'm gonna put lotion. I almost forgot the lotion. Okay, now for the foundation. I'm gonna use, same foundation Fit Me, poreless. I'm gonna use this little guy. I know it looks a lot, but it'll blend out. Oh, it's stiff. Usually when sponges are stiff, the product stays on the top and it gets more product. Not like other sponges are like soft and it soaks in the product all the way in. Okay, so now to test out the brushes. I'm going to use the powder brush. Okay. Now I'm going to try going into contour. Okay. Contour. The white one. So usually the white one goes up here. I don't see the product. I'm sorry. I'm going to use my egg for this. There you go. Okay, there. I'm sorry, that brush didn't work for contour. It's supposed to be an angled brush for contouring, but I guess. So on to the next one. We're gonna test the lips right now. So I'm gonna test the Pro Fusion Lip High Pigmented Matte Lipstick Plum. So I'm gonna go in with Juicy Watermelon, the red one. I'm gonna use it with the brush. I never used it with the brush. Okay, it looks okay. Okay. Now that we did the contour, we're gonna do the rest of it, the contour. The peachy one. You can barely see it. Next one, the tannish beige one. It picks up a lot of product because it's highly pigmented. Okay, you can barely see the colors. On to the next. So today I will be using Twilight Dusk palette, UC Can Be palette. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know how to say it. Correct me. So that's concealer. This is all over eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna be using today like pinkish color look. So I'm gonna use Angelic. I know you can't really see the colors. The palette looks dirty. It picks up a lot of product. That's what I like about it. And it feels soft. Like it's not, these brushes are not bad. Like if you're low on like money, like you could work with these. They're not that bad. Like it picks up a lot of product and it's actually very, what these shadows are like pigmented, so it's like a lot more product to pick up. Okay, on to the next color. So I'm gonna be using Turkish Delight. Another pink, like a darker pink. I know it looks like I'm poking my eye right now because I have my eye open. Last one. I tapped the brush because I'm like getting rid of all the eyeshadow that was on here and rubbing it on the thing, the little towelette makeup remover thing. So I'm going to use my finger this time to dab my inner corners with the gold. Now I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I don't know if you guys ever poked your eye with eyeliner and your eye turns black. I've done that before. It was scary. Okay. And now for the final product, I'm gonna use blush for the next product. Whoa. Okay. Oof. My cheeks are really big. I'm sorry. My cheeks. Oh my god. I can't talk. My. Whatever these are. Okay, I'm liking this. And now for highlight. Let me just blend out. It looks a little pink. Like way too pink. Okay. There. Now for highlight. I'm gonna use the same brush, but I'm gonna dip it in the towelette over here. Okay guys, that's the finished look. Tell me what you think about it. I used the 99-cent brushes look. So comment down below. Tell me what you think of this look. And this is my finished look. So for this one picked up a lot of product for everything. This is the powder brush. It kind of picked up powder. And these eyeshadow brushes picked up a lot of product. I would be using these brushes again because it picked up a lot of product. And this Phase 1 Jet Set. This is highly pigmented with the brushes. It picks up a lot of product. So I'll be using this again in the videos. And this Pro Fusion highly pigmented lipstick, I mean. For me, the brush didn't really work for me. So I had to use my finger for it because I'm not used to using the brush. And it costed $1.99. Pro Fusion. This costed $2.99. And this $5.99. These you could get them at Dollar Tree. What am I saying? 99-cent store. Don't listen to me. 99-cent store. I'm just thinking about Dollar Tree because I'm hungry. So that was the makeup 99-cents makeup look. Tell me what you think in the comments. If I didn't mention, I mean, anything that you guys caught in the video, comment down below. Let me know. I'll mention it in the next video. Also, thank you for watching, and thank you for all the subscribers that were like subscribed already. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you stay in the next video. Bye!